Good morning, students. This is a video for the guidelines on how to fill the OMR in annual examination, which is starting from tomorrow. So whenever this OMR sheet will be given to you, on the right hand side, the name of the exam should be written, that is annual examination. After that, the student name and the subject for which you are appearing on the exam day. Now after that, it's better to use a pencil instead of a pen directly, because if there any kind of mistake, you can make it correct. And after that, whenever you are 100% sure about that particular option, then only you can fill it with the help of a black pen. Now, the first thing that we should start with the class. For example, I'm just filling this OMR for class 8. So we will write it as 08. Like for class 6, it will be 06, and for class 7, it will be 07. The 0 should be filled at first. Okay, with the help of a pencil, it's better to use a HB pencil because it is dark. Then the section, for example, I'm assuming that you are studying in section B. So we will write at first, and after that we'll fill it. Now the class roll number, if you have a single digit roll number, for example, your roll number is 9. So in that case, I will write a 09. So that means a 0 should be filled at first, and after that this 9. Then the subject code. There is an unique code for each question paper. There will be different sets of a question paper will be available in examination. The invigilator will provide the same guidelines again before starting the exam. But whenever you will see the subject code in the question paper, you have to write that particular subject code. For class 8, for example, the subject code is 803. So in that case, you will write down, like you will fill it as 8, 0 and 3 in this way. After that, the stream, it is not required, so no need to write anything. This is the first part of the video. Now, if suppose your roll number is not 09, for example, your roll number is 29. So in that case, what you have to do, I will show you in the next part of the video. Now in this part of the video, I'm taking another example for class 7. Now, as I have already told you that exam name and subject you need to fill at first. Whenever you will get the OMR sheet, listen to the guidelines of that invigilator. Then after that, you will fill all the details. Then we'll move to this section. Okay. If you are studying in class 7, then we'll write down the class at first as 07. We'll fill that 0 at first, and after that we'll fill the 7. And you should be careful that you fill all these details with a pencil at first. Maybe if you make any kind of mistake, you can make it correct. Now we are assuming that you are studying in section A. So we will write down the section here, and after that we'll fill that particular circle. For example, we are considering that your roll number is 20. So we will write down 2 here and 0 in the next box. After that, we will fill that 2 from the first column and 0 from the second column. There will be an unique subject code will be available in your question paper. Each question is different. So, for example, I am considering that your subject code is 706. So in that case, I have written the subject code here at first. After that, I will fill 7 from the first column, 0 from the second column, and 6 from the third column. The next part is not for your use. I am taking some more example, like if your roll number is 34, so you will fill 3 from the first column and 4 from the second column. If your roll number is 19, so in that case 1 should be filled from the first column and 9 from the second column. If your roll number is 56, so in that case 5 should be filled from the first column and 6 from the second column. Now I hope these things are clear. Here the candidate signature is required with the pen. Whenever you will start answering the question, it's better to just tick the option in that particular question paper with the pencil. Whenever you are sure, then after that you will just fill it in a particular circle. For example, for question number 2, your answer is C. So actually you have filled in this way. Okay. After some time, maybe if you are not sure about that, you can erase it, and after that you can fill the correct option as per your choice. Okay. Do not fill the OMR initially with pen. Maybe if there is any kind of mistake, then the OMR reading software will not able to read your answer. Thank you so much.